Kev G with a weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? This is the rainfall from yesterday morning, and once the rainfall exited the region, we had a fine day, and we're having a very nice day today with sunshine filtered by a lot of high clouds, but nothing too ominous. I'm going to spend a lot of the video talking about tomorrow night into Tuesday. I'll give you the extended outlook as well, but I'm a little concerned with tomorrow night into Tuesday because we're going to have a very close call with low pressure. And depending on where that actually crosses the area, if it does cross the area at all, we could have severe weather late at night, tomorrow night, overnight particularly. That's what I'm really concerned about. So we'll get right down to it with Intellicast.com with your temperatures right now, mid to upper 70s. And I don't think tomorrow we're going to be getting out of the 70s in most places because we're going to have an onshore flow, a lot of clouds, and showers at times. And the bulk of the rain, I think, falls between 5 p.m. Monday and 5 a.m. Tuesday. So with that said, let's take a look at the hazards that are in effect. The area in bright green, this is off of NOAA, is flash flood watches. Now, depending on the track of the eventual exact track of the storm, the flash flood watches may have to be extended across Long Island. And I'll show you why in just a second. So we have a very interesting forecast dilemma for tomorrow into tomorrow night, particularly into tomorrow night. So we'll take a look at the NAM model, and this is the issue right here. So this is tomorrow. Overnight, clouds are going to lower and thicken, and then we're going to have showers to start your day, and they're going to be off and on basically the entire day. But as we go through the afternoon and evening, that rain will become more steady and more heavy, particularly after 5 o'clock tomorrow. Then as we go on through the night, we really have to track exactly where this area of low pressure crosses, because as you can see, it comes off the New Jersey coast, and that's why the flood watches are in effect for the Jersey shore, is because that area of low pressure is poised to track right over the Jersey shore. I think with the closest approach of the low, you have an opportunity for severe weather with damaging winds and an isolated tornado. So everybody in the flood watch area right now has to be concerned, and especially considering the time of night that this is going to be happening. This area of low pressure should cross the area between midnight and 3 a.m. But look what happens further north. Over Long Island and over New York City and points north, that area of low pressure just misses to the south. So it is critically important to monitor the weather situation tomorrow night just to make sure that no significant changes have been made to the forecast. Because my concern would be, as we take a look at Weather Underground, my concern would be for Suffolk County, because they stick out there the furthest, and if that area of low pressure were to cross, I think the best area for it to cross, or the most likely area, would be Suffolk County. So that's where I would go with this right now. I would keep an eye on it. For the most part, it's just going to be rain, and there'll be some isolated thunderstorms, but not much. But I would be concerned about that midnight to 3 a.m. Timeline for tomorrow night into Tuesday. Monitor your local forecast and monitor the weather situation carefully, just in case that there's a change in the eventual track of that low pressure center. So that's it for now. I'll be doing more as we go along. I'll be doing more about the long range in another video.